Hello everyone, I am bringing you with a new problem today. Uh, from quadratic question in the board exam, you will usually get application based question, usually tap question or a upstream downstream problem, etc. Many students struggle to solve this tap problem here. Even though it is very simple, if you know certain tricks here, it is very simple. Let us solve this problem. In this problem, they given two taps running together can fill tank in 40 by 13 hours, right? 40 by 13 hours. Now, one tap takes 3 hours more than the other. Therefore, let us take the variables here. Let the larger pipe takes, larger tap takes x hours, right? Let us as larger tap takes x hours here, and smaller tap, therefore smaller tap takes x plus 3 hours. Let a larger tap takes x hours, since it is given here if one tap takes 3 hours more than the other. Now in this problem you are using unitary method here. Therefore in 1 hour how much the larger tap can fill the tank? 1 by x individually. In 1 hour it can fill 1 by x. Okay, for example, I have a glass of water here. If it takes 5 hours to drink it, in 1 hour it can fill 1/5 of glass. In 1 hour you can empty 1/5 of glass, right? In 1 hour. In 1 hour. Right, this is a unitary method here. Now coming back to the problem here, the smaller taps will fill 1 by x plus 3, right? The smaller tap will fill 1 by x plus 3. Now together they take they will fill 40 by 13 hours. They fill in 40 by 13 hours. Together they fill in 40 by 13 hours. Therefore in 1 hour it is 1 by 40 by 13 is equal to 30 by 14. 1 hour is 30 by 14. Now this is very important here. This is very important. Now listen here carefully. Both in 1 hour it can fill 1 by x and 1 by x plus 3. Therefore the equation can be formed very easily here. 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 3 is equal to 13, that is together 13 by 40. The smaller pipe will fill 1 by x plus 3 portion of tank. The larger pipe will fill 1 by x portion of tank. In 1 hour it is 13 by 40, right? Therefore this is the equation now. It's a very simple equation, provided you know the solving trick here, right? This is the equation. You have to remember, this is called unitary method. Always use this trick. The problem will be solved within a few seconds, right? The equation is very easy to form. Now let us take LCM here. X into x plus 3 is LCM. Here x plus 3 I multiply, and here I multiply x here. X plus 3 plus x is equal to 13 by 40. 2x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 3x is equal to 13 by 40. Now cross multiply. 40 into 2x plus 3 is equal to 13 into x square plus 13x, right? 40 into x is 80x. 40 into 3 is 120 is equal to 13x square. It is 3 here, not 13x. 13 into x square plus 3x, right? 13 3 is a 39x. Now I simplify the equation here. 13x square, I send this all the terms that side, therefore 0 is left here. 13x square plus 39x minus 80x minus 120, right? Now this equation is simplified to what here? 13x square 13x square minus 41x minus 120 is equal to 0, right? Now finding factor is very important here. Even though it looks complicated here, it's very simple if you know the trick here. A is equal to 13, B is equal to minus 4, B is equal to minus 41, and C is equal to minus 120, right? Now AC is equal to 13 into 120 is equal to 113, also that 156, right? Now let us find the factors here. This is very important here. In the exam, if you don't get the factors here, you can use Sridharacharya method, but Sridharacharya method takes time here. If you are short of time, you have to go for a factor method here. The finding factors is a very simple task if you know the tricks here, right? Let us find the factors of this. See here, the multiplication is negative and addition is also negative. Therefore, one factor should be positive, other factor should be negative, right? Now 2, 7, 1, 6, 8, 0. 2, 7, 8 is right? And next, now I divide this 780 by, I divide this 780 by 5 here. Let us divide by 5 here. I multiply by 5. If I divide by 5 here, I have to multiply by 2 here. Or if I divide by 3 here, I have to multiply by 3 here, right? Therefore, 3 into, let us divide by 3 here first. 3, 1, 2 is 6, 260, and 3, 2 is 6, right? Okay. Now, I think I'll divide by 4 here. You can divide by any terms here till, because here 260 minus 6 is 254. Still we haven't found the factors here. Now let us divide by 4 here. 4 6 is 20, 4 5 is right, and 4 6 is 24. I think we got the factors here very easily. Whatever number I divide here, I have to multiply here. I divide by 4 here, therefore I multiplied by 4 here, right? Here I multiplied by 4 here, and here I multiplied by 3 here, and I divided by 2 here, right? Therefore the factors, I guess 65 minus 24 is 41. Therefore I found out the factors very easily here. 13x square minus 65x plus 24x. Since it is minus 41 here, therefore minus 65x plus 24x minus 120 is equal to 0. I will take 13x common here. 13x x minus 5 plus I will take 24 common here. 24x minus 5 here. 13x plus 24 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now 13x plus 24 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 24 upon 13. We neglect this solution here because x is time can't be negative, and x is equal to x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5 hours, 5, right? Therefore x is what here? Larger tab. Therefore result here, final result here, result here, a larger pipe takes x is equal to 5 hours, smaller pipe takes x plus 3 is equal to 8 hours. Very simple problem. Many students struggle in finding the factors here. If you can't find the factors, you can use Sridharacharya method, but there is a systematic trick for finding the factors very easily. First I divide by 2 here, next I divide by 3 here, next I divide by 4 here. In the exam, try to divide by simple factors like 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 like that. You will get the factors very easily. Even though this quadratic equation looks very complicated, it is not complicated. It's very easy. Yes. Also, many students struggle to use the unitary method here. Okay. You just substitute like this. 1 in 1 hour it takes 1 by x like that, and apply the equation here. You will find very easily. Also, since it is a 5 marks question, you can verify the solution using the trick here. Also, the verification becomes very important here because it is a 5 marks question. Because in exam you don't want to lose the 5 marks because of some silly mistake here. You can verify here. Okay, you can verify it here also. You can substitute 8 here. 1 by x is 5. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 8 is equal to LCM is 40 here. 5 8 is 8 5 is 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 by 40. Yes, the equation is correct here and solution is correct. In the exam, it is very important to verify the answer here because it's a 5 marks question. Sometimes you make a simple mistake in somewhere here and you might lose the marks here, 5 marks. Okay. Therefore, it is very important to verify the 5 marks questions. Okay. Hope you understood. Thank you.